It has been a wonderful experience. I came here as a driver, assistant projectionist, worked with the regional services. Then I moved from a driver to a projectionist. And as gradually as the positions changed, we moved on from that level to where am I right now. Then the technology was more analog, old-fashioned technology. 16mm projectors to DLP projector, which is the modern projector which we're using now, and the technology. Some of it remains the same, like all the PS system, the public address system part of it. It has grown, but it basically it has grown a whole lot compared to what it was then. I would have to say it was after Hurricane Gilbert. We were some of the first responders to the deep rural areas, taking supplies like blankets, foodstuff to the rural area that was cut off. And the reason why we had 4x4 vehicles that could only go into those deep rural areas. So we were one of the first responders. JIS was helping ODPM because there was a shortage of vehicles that could go to those deep rural areas, like in Dalby in St. Thomas, Arcadia, those areas. On a monthly basis, all the vehicles, we have 14 video vans across the island, 14 video vans. And they would come in at the beginning of the month, get their programs, their fuel, their supplies, and they'd go into different parishes, different communities, and they would keep 2 video shows for the day. They'd go into a school during the course of the day, show a video about public health, and then in the afternoon, we'd go back into another community and make an announcement, a town crying announcement that there'll be a community meeting in a particular district, and we invite all the public to come out, and they would come out and we set up a projector at the time, play music. We have a little entertainment program for the children where they'd come and recite poems, memory gem, whatever, and then some of the adults will do a little thing too. Then at the end of the night we will have a community show where we show JIS material, and then the Sunday we'll find a little movie to show.
The public is invited to see a free film show. That is at the square in Johnstown tonight, starting 7 o'clock. There will be a free film show by JIS. The public is invited to attend. 7 o'clock tonight at Johnstown Square.